Hey Metro Man, this video is going to be especially for you. You know why? Because you have a lawn tractor, although this is not a lawn tractor, and you're working on a custom exhaust pipe. That's what I'm going to be doing. A custom exhaust pipe. It's going to be looking somewhat like this. Yeah. Doesn't that look cool? Well, I already got the holes marked up. See them right there. That one, that one. Just said I got this off the Sono scooter. Since it's not running, I'm gonna drill a hole here. I'm gonna drill a hole over here. Since on the lawn mower it's a bit smaller. This was the original muffler. Let me show you what it looks like. See what I'm saying? I put white on the ends there, so when I put the exhaust against it, it would mark it, just like I showed you, just like you saw there. So that's what it looks like. I put the exhaust right there. The screws go right there. I already found 2 screws that fit there, which are these 2 right there. One is a flathead, and the other one's Allen. Those 2 fit perfectly in there. Nice and snug. I already tried it. And right now I'm gonna try to drill the holes. Hopefully. Alright, I got the drill ready with the drill bits. The Black & Decker. I'm gonna drill these 2 holes. First, starting with this one. Way to hold it in place. Hope I don't screw this up. Come on, stay still. Stop moving to the side. Now we're getting somewhere. That should do it. What did I do with it? Oh boy, I lost a screw. Lost the bolt, man. Oh, here it is. Right there. If it fits. Oh yeah. Fits now. Just look at all those metal shavings. Look at that. Ah, they're hot. Oh, second time I burned myself. Yep. There it goes. Yeah, I put my hand behind this, so the camera could focus to this, not to this. And yep, there it goes. Here goes the original holes that go on the scooter. Here goes the new holes for the lawnmower. I wonder how it's gonna sound. It should sound cool. And this is the end result.
You gotta send this to
Started.
Johnny.
Huh?
You gotta send this to Johnny.
Yes, I know. The coil broke. Green.
Take that out.
smoking because this exhaust hasn't been turned on in over a year. Hasn't been on a working engine over a year. So I'm gonna be smoking for a little while. But this is freaking cool. Look at that. Check that out. Is that cool or what? Starting to get a bit warm. Well, let's let my friend Antonio see this. In case you forgot who Antonio is, he's the one with the Dodge Intrepid and mountain bike with the blue neons. Still smoking a little bit. But is that cool or what? I think so. That's a little chrome right there. Look at that. I find it cool. Ride a lawnmower like that. Look at that. There's your custom exhaust. Hold on, where is it? What I do with? Oh, here it is. From this to this. This used to be right here, right there. Not very good looking. Oh, look at that. Yeah. It doesn't sound very deep. The engine makes more noise than the exhaust itself. But it's still pretty cool. Really cool. Still only warm. Still only warm. Oh, it got hotter than this than before. You can still touch it with your hand. But that is freaking cool. Let me put the air filter on. Put the camera down. I know you're gonna get a kick out of this, Joe Metro Man. I think that's cool. Very distracting. Leading horsepower. With the custom exhaust. Off that old scooter. Isn't it great having spare parts? Yeah, check that out from far away. That looks insane. I think this is enough fun for today. It's getting late. You can see it's starting to get dark a bit. See the sun setting over there. And this is the end of the video.